Okay, so I've finished all the welding now on 3 of them, and I've just got one more to do. So this one is still hot, so I'm waiting now for this one to cool down, so I can take this plate off, and then I can finish the welding on the last one. So in the meantime, what I'm going to do is start drilling some of the other holes that I've got. The end caps I know are already made, and so they're on the way. The hatch ring is on its way to the company for making the hatch, and I've actually got a phone call with a company in Southampton that might be able to flange face this. I've got a telephone call with them on Monday, so let's hope that I can get there with that. Failing that, I have got an idea to actually make a flange facer. Be a bit of a palaver, but I'll see how much they're going to charge for doing the job. So here I have another drawing. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill holes for the what's that, number 1 main tank vent controls. So I've got 2 to go, one there, and I've got number 2 variable tank inlets. So those are all, so that's a 1/2 inch schedule 80 pipe nipple, which is one of these, and I've only got one, so I'm going to have to order some more. These are NPT, and I think I'm going to go BSP for this one. What else? Yeah, quite a few holes to drill. Right, so I've got the magnetic drill rigged up. Hole is 50mm from the weld seam. I've got the strap on that holds the clamping table, magnets on, and I've also got a strap through the safety thingy bob. Let's have a different view on this, I think. This machine is so good, unbelievable. It's literally like cheating. Right, got it rigged up. The same at the back. Okay, so variable tank inlet, 1/2 inch, 60mm, schedule 80 pipe nipple, 100mm distance, locate on centre line. Sounds easy enough. Test of the weld bead. We'll see any faults. It's been x-rayed anyway, so okay. Get these in, I suppose. Right, so in order to work out the arc segment, which is the length from the centre to where I need to drill the hole, I'm actually going to do it. It's pi d divided by 360 multiplied by the 45 degrees, which equals, I did it before, 281 millimetres. Right, so 281. $100, 281 millimeters is there. I mean, it's not flipping super accurate, but and what was it? How far in? It had to go in 140. 140 in. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a sort of an eyeball test really, and I'm going to do it using the camera because it's difficult to do it. So I'm trying to get that right in the middle as much as I can. There. Now what I've got is this thing, which is like a giant builder's 45 degree or a big thing. Anyway, so what I've got to do is to try and measure. I know this isn't very accurate, but it's to give me an indication of if that's in the right place. I'm sure it is, but I'm just double checking. So I'm going to try and hold that about in the middle. In fact, I could actually measure it, couldn't I? That'd be right. So that's the middle. It's a bit wobbly, but 82 there to there. So that theoretically, that point there is in the middle. And so that, and it's more or less smack on. I'll try and hold it. The thing is, there, I've got this finger on it. There. Does that look about right? 82, it's there. No, it's there. That's where it's going anyway. So just flick this around and then drill another hole. Okay, I've done the inside fill-in run and the outside fill-in run for final fill-in run now, so just cap and runs to go, just letting that cool down a bit. So I've measured up for this one and let's do the last one. So we're not far off now being able to put the battery pods, end caps, battery pods and tower on, and then get it all assembled. The biggest thing I need to do is get this this face done somehow. Got an idea to make a face flanger, but I'll see what this other company says first, because they might be able to do it and it's not too far to Southampton.